I think it's time for a change. I feel so like 90s, but also I feel like a loaf of bread. So I had an idea. I'm wearing hats all the time. First off, because it is still cold here. Second, because I don't really like my hair right now. And there's only so many things I can do while it's growing out, you know what I mean? I have some old extensions and I have a lot of red hair dye. So this is gonna be a two-parter right here. Let's dye my hair. Dye my hair, okay? Then we're gonna work some magic on some extensions because they already have a color on them. So that is gonna take a bit of work. Step one, dye my hair red. Do I really want to? Do I really want to do this? Am I just doing this because I'm bored? One way to find out. Kenra Colors 7RR is the name of the game today, y'all. Tell me why I have so many, I don't know, but thank God. Our volume 10, and that's all we need. Actually, I might do something a little different with the blonde streak. Yeah, we're dyeing my hair today. Yeah. I had to do a little quick change so I wouldn't ruin my clothes. And no, I'm not wearing pants. So, y'all, the most important part right now is the fact that I have this cool blonde streak. It's so cool. I can't let the bleached hair darken at all because that took some work. Yeah, that's okay. Here's a little bit of fun facts for you from a cosmetologist. Bleached hair will absorb more than normal hair. So if I were to put the dark red on the rest of my hair, as soon as I rinse it out, it's all gonna absorb in the bleached hair, and we don't want that. We don't want that. I can turn it red, but with semi-permanent red. Okay, starting from the top. Let's do a little red. A little semi-permanent red here, and then permanent red everywhere else. Oh, look at that. Oh, actually, there's no going back now. Oh man. What is this noise? What's going on out there? I really should have put two gloves on. Don't know why I did this. Oh my god, it's getting all over my hand. Oh, it's getting everywhere. Personally, I'm pretty hyped about this. You could just go crazy and put this all over my head. That's a good amount. I will probably have leftovers, which is perfect because that means I can start doing my extensions. It's really hard sectioning short hair. Yeah. My hair right now is like a level 7, but in brown. And this red is a level 7, but in red. Level 7 is basically like the hue, if you will. The tone? No, not tone. That's not the word. It's like how dark or light your hair is. Yeah, that means it won't be like crazy red. This part in my hair with the bleach, this will probably be as bright red as it will look. Oh, it's in my ear. In other news, my gorgeous, beautiful, sexy angel of a girlfriend is coming back from basically a month of traveling. And every time she's seen photos of me with red hair, she's like, ooh. So am I dyeing my hair red because my girlfriend will like it? Maybe I am. Maybe I am. Oh my god, I got it on my ear again. Do I acknowledge and agree that I look great with red hair? Yeah. I look like Syndrome. I look like the angry guy from Inside Out. Should I leave it like this? I think I really gotta actually focus on sectioning. Ah! Oh god, the chemicals. I can't see the back of my head, but it feels like I'm doing a great job. My girlfriend is gonna be so impressed. She doesn't know I'm dyeing my hair red. I tried to keep it a secret, but it only lasted like 2 seconds. You know how that goes. Pixie cuts are tough, okay? Because it's really hard to section your hair yourself because it's so short. And also, like, when I wake up, it looks like someone electrocuted me. Y'all, is anyone else going red right now? Red with my blue eyes? Someone called Flounder. Someone call King Triton, okay? Let's make a sandwich. This is the last sandwich I can ever make. Bam. We're dyeing our hair and making a sandwich. Dyeing our hair and making a sandwich. Perfect. Bam. 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 Beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's so good. Yep. 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 That hits the spot. Oh, did you want some? Do you want some? Go get your own. Get out of here. I'm not gonna lie, I like just bleach washed my whole shower. So this is terrible timing. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god, I almost fell! Ah! Oh my god, I'm being waterboarded! I should not be using Olaplex in my hair. My face is tinted red right now. Ooh, look at the front. Oh my gosh, y'all, the bleach part looks so good. Yeah. I'm like a bird, I wanna fly away. This is such a bad idea. When you condition your hair shouldn't be soaking wet. Oh, perfect. This is looking good, good. Part of me just wants to like leave this in and use it as a mask for a little bit, but we can't do that. We have things to do. Yeah. Did I get red dye in my eye? Today is definitely not the day for a curly hair routine. So I'm gonna put a little split end mender in my hair. I definitely think I got some good dye on my skin. Yeah. Honestly, I did this pretty fast, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm surprised it's still light outside. I am feeling so freaking cute, y'all. Oh my god! Oh my god, my eyes look so bright now. This is crazy. Honestly, this color does make me like my little pixie bixie haircut more. I definitely feel more refreshed right now and so hyped that I did this. But we're not done here. No, we're not. I'm about to hop in there and do some extensions to match. But that will be part 2, y'all. That will be the next video. I am so proud of this. I think it looks so good and my girlfriend is gonna be thrilled. Actually, I think I'm gonna Snapchat her right now. Y'all, let me know what you think of this transformation today and I will see you next time. Bye!